Alright guys, this is a super short video to help you with navigating in Canvas so you can find the assignments. Okay, so first things first, yes, you go to dashboard. Okay. From there, you find your English class. Okay. This stuff is all off because it doesn't, when things are published, the due date might not be for a week, if not more. So best way to go is to enter your class, whatever period you have. You need to do this for all of your classes, but for English, you're going to find your English course. And then your home page is already on modules. It's where you'll find all the assignments, okay? You'll scroll all the way down to the bottom to see the current week. Monday, these are the assignments for Monday. You'll only be able to see what's green. Tuesday, Wednesday. So you'll open, say it's Wednesday. Okay. We've got our we will analyze the effects on the reader from the author's use of diction and syntax. I will, so that's you, I will create an analysis of syntax and diction using the sentence stem. Here is your sentence stem you're going to be using. Okay, so you're going to take notes on the two videos. Video 1 takes you to a link. Of course, we're not going to watch it. And same thing, you've got to watch the video to really be able to do the assignment. If you don't, you'll probably fail. Okay, and here's the assignment. You can scroll and hit next, and it'll take you to the next assignment. Okay. If you get lost, modules always takes you back to where you can find your assignments. Okay, this one's old, but same. They're all the same way. You've got to click on all the red to really be able to understand your assignment or to not miss an assignment. Okay. Anything referring to actively learn. This one's mine. Has our class codes in there and step-by-step instructions on how to join. Okay. So I know this is frustrating that you have to do that for so many courses. That's just something that we all have to get used to. Okay. And same thing for SAPOP. But if you don't have access to this, or if you can't find it because you do have access, it's also in the syllabus for your course. The codes are here. Okay. Here's our remind, our actively learned for that period, and our SAPOP code. It's going to be different for each period. If there are still questions on how to access the content or your assignments, please reach out and let me know. Thanks, guys. Hope y'all have a great day.